Are we?
Yeah.
We're filming.
You're filming.
Yeah.
What's up? This is Zoe Oguchi. And that's Julian Yates right there. We're working on installation for my pop-up solo exclusive viewing coming up this Saturday. And we picked up this huge tree from Presidio Park yesterday. We are trying to install that huge tree. It's so heavy that even 3 men hold that tree, they almost trip and fall off. But we are trying our best to make it stand up.
What time does the show open?
Oh, the show opens May 7th, Saturday, 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Hope to see you there.